I don't remember if I showed this, but this is the air filter. We're gonna have to get a new one. That's really bad. Well, guys, we still got a cylinder one Misfire. So I think I'm gonna order some plugs for this. Maybe I'll order a coil on, but we're gonna scope this then because look at how it's misfiring. And yeah, we'll continue this tomorrow. So guys, I got a whole bunch of NGK laser radium plugs for the Subaru. Got a new filter, and there's our old plugs, and you can see one was a Denso. I guess they're the same part number. So we're gonna put some new boots on here, and I think we'll have this fixed.